Okay, so sorry about the close quarters. I bought this 86 model short wheelbase, two-wheel drive, one owner truck. The man that owned it finally, well, I shouldn't say finally, the man that owned it passed away a few years back. So his daughter was cleaning up the estate and she sold me the truck. So it's all original, unmolested. And I've had it now for about a month. It's a little 4.3 V6 automatic air conditioning. So I thought before I get starting this build and tearing it down, because we got a 468 we're going to put in it, automatic, and we're rounding up parts. But I thought I'd go and shoot a video because I bought some wheels off Facebook, go put on it. And I have this 12 bolt 373 gear posi. I got to rebuild it, paint it, disc brake conversion, and do a flip kit lowering. So I thought I'd just show you this base model truck before I start building it, one piece at a time. So now we're fixing to put these wheels on, and we'll show you what those wheels look like here in just a moment. All right, so I got them on there. They're 18s in the front, which looks kind of funny at the moment, and 20s in the rear. But once we get her lowered, she'll look pretty good. But that's a major transformation from what it was, you know. So yeah, that's gonna look pretty good.